Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to increase the volume of a quiet track in Audacity using the amplification effect. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Audacity app on your PC. Once the application launches and your project is loaded, you'll need to select the portion of audio you want to work with. You have two options here depending on your needs. If you only want to increase the volume of a specific section, click and drag your mouse over that particular area of the audio track. However, if you want to boost the volume of the entire track, simply double-click anywhere on the audio waveform. This will automatically select everything, making the process much faster and more convenient. After you've made your selection, direct your attention to the top toolbar of the Audacity interface. Click on the option labeled Effect. This menu contains all the audio processing tools available in Audacity, and it's where you'll find the amplification feature we need for this tutorial. Once the Effect menu opens, hover your mouse over the option that says Volume and Compression. A submenu will appear with several related effects. From this submenu, select Amplify. This opens the amplification window, which gives you precise control over how much you want to increase or decrease the volume of your selected audio. In the amplification window, you'll notice a field labeled Amplification dB. This is where Audacity displays the suggested amplification level based on your audio. On my end, it shows 17.735, but yours might be different depending on the current volume of your track. This default value is calculated to maximize your audio without causing distortion, so it's usually a good starting point. Before applying the effect, click the Preview button. This allows you to test how your audio will sound with the current amplification level applied. Listen carefully to make sure the volume increase sounds natural and doesn't introduce any unwanted distortion or clipping. If you're satisfied with how it sounds during the preview, great. If not, you can easily adjust it. Use the slider to the right to increase the volume even more. Moving the slider further right will boost the amplification beyond the default value, giving you more control over the final output. You can preview it again after making adjustments to ensure it sounds exactly how you want it. Once you're happy with the volume level, click Apply in the bottom right corner of the window. Audacity will then process your audio and apply the amplification effect. Depending on the length of your selection, this might take a moment, so just wait while the changes are being applied. And that's it. You've successfully increased the volume of your quiet track using the amplification effect in Audacity. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.